Keep in mind that coolant is just as important as the blade when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C-5200 Semi-Synthetic Coolant, which is specially designed for bandsaws cutting chrome moly alloy steel. The QFluids C-5200 is a synthetic coolant. Like all cutting fluids used in band sawing, it should be mixed at a 10-to-1 ratio with water for optimal performance. QFluid coolants helps in several key ways. It lubricates the blade, reducing friction and heat. It also cuts clean and smooth, but most importantly, extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. I've been in this business for over 30 years, and this is an excellent coolant. This coolant not only provides longer blade life, but helps your machinery stay clean. I've seen this throughout the years I've been in this business. Using an inferior coolant will result in high blade costs and poor performance. The C-5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and cleaner cuts.